Hey there, Akshat Gupta here. And today, I'm thrilled to introduce something that will completely revolutionize the coloring book and kids activity space. If you've ever wanted to launch your own coloring book platform with books, interactive flipbooks, worksheets, and activity packs, but felt stuck because of tech, time, or design blocks, then listen closely. Because what I'm about to show you lets you create fully done-for-you coloring books and activity content using AI in just a few clicks, with no experience, no team, and no ongoing costs. Introducing ColorBooks AI. Image to coloring page magic. Text to coloring page AI. One-click coloring book generator. Book to flip book converter. TFY coloring books library. All in one dashboard. Full PLR license included, cloud-based and easy to use. Commercial.